Let's learn about vitamin K. Do you know what the benefits of vitamin K are? Vitamin K participates in bone building. So if you eat foods that contain vitamin K, you'll have strong bones. Vitamin K also ensures blood clotting in case of injuries. You can find vitamin K mostly in fruits and vegetables that are green in color. Fruits and vegetables high in vitamin K include parsley, kale, dandelion greens, spinach, and collard greens. Other fruits and vegetables that contain vitamin K are green onions, Brussels sprouts, lettuce, asparagus, broccoli, kiwi, green cabbage, cauliflower, edamame, grapes, green peas, and prunes. Which one is your favorite? Did you know that vitamin K helps bone building by regulating blood calcium levels and promoting calcium accumulation in your bones? So don't forget to eat calcium-rich foods to get strong bones.